Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, we need to install the Docker. Run the following commands to create a directory to store the GPG keys for Docker, download the GPG key and install Docker itself. Now create a dedicated folder for our Vaultwarden data and move inside it to keep things organized. Generate a strong random string to make sure to copy it. It will be your admin token for managing the server later. Since we are using an IP address instead of domain, we're generating a self-signed SSL certificate. Run the next command. Now create our configuration file. This file tells Docker exactly how to set up and run Vaultwarden. In this file we define the image, enable sync up, paste our admin token and link or our SSL certificate. We also map port so we can access the vault securely via HTTPS. Finally, run the next command. This command will download the Vaultwarden image and start the server in the background. Now, go into your web browser, use HTTPS and your server IP. You will see the following. All what you need to do is to log in and now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.